Hi, Kristen at GoodKnitKisses again. Today we are unboxing the Claire's box package kit of Knit This, and this is for fashion scarves. And you still may find this in the stores, but it's definitely online. And if you do find it after the market, this box, this video of the box opening is going to show you what you'll get. So stay tuned. Also, for our cat beanie that we helped develop. So this is a pattern that I helped write and did a photo tutorial of. So we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. So it looks like we have 4 colors for the pom-poms and the main yarn, your knitting loom, your tulle, and a tapestry yarn, and instructions. And these instructions are an easy skill level, and they have photo tutorials on how to do everything, including a slip knot. We also have directions in Spanish as well, and there's also instructions for making the pom-poms. So English and Spanish instructions, all the things that you need to make the scarf. You can make one scarf with this pattern and learn everything there is to know, and then buy more yarn and make more for your friends. You did it! Way to go! Happy knitting! Kristen Mangus of GoodKnitKisses. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you'd like more craft unboxing videos to find out what's available for you. Thanks, bye-bye, and happy crafting.